Based on a tip of police at a Belfang Naka point in Tripura says a car carrying 37 kilograms of ganja on Friday afternoon. Police arrested Subrata Devnath, one of the car's two occupants, after they attempted to flee. The other suspects escaped. The contraband was found hidden in 70 packets inside the car's door. On Friday afternoon, police from the Vaisalbari police station, acting on a confidential tip, set up a checkpoint at the Belfang Naka point to intercept a car suspected of carrying illegal narcotics. At approximately 2:30 p.m., a Maruti car with the registration number TR04A0342 was stopped by the police. As the officers approached the vehicle, the two occupants attempted to flee on foot. The police were able to apprehend one of the individuals, identified as Subrata Devnath. The other suspects, however, managed to escape and remains at large. During a thorough search of the vehicle, police discovered a significant amount of ganja concealed with the car doors. The contraband was divided into 70 individual packets with a total weight of 37 kilograms. Jugal Tripura, the OC of the Vaisalbari police station, confirmed the details of the operation and the seizure.
Chini Naka normal Naka seekingo ang tongmani Naka hotat ke gari kai Belfang Naka ang tongmani ang baitay an staff tay oino officer botongo afro hotat ke signal rifuro gari kaisa alto gari bini number ingkang TR04A 0342 gari paitung Naka gana sopai puro bono signal rimani phat chake bo gari gurogoi arone gari nokhare borok korong tongmani borok kharka ke chung masano romanyar ka kai romanyar mo pore chung sondeo khaikao gari bisingo kuno mani hamya mani tongnabon bagin borok kharo hunai kai chung gari bathak rima pore chung kisar dogar ingi nemani dogar belai hiligo kai chung sondeo khaika dogar bisingo no ingo jak tongna huijak mani tongna ni chung kisar siri nemani aro packet kubangma packet aro nukjak tongo brown color ni packet nukjak tongo kai chung ang ani senior authority na ang janoka janongma pore ani authority janoka tai ingono rika SDM no kaisa magistrate depute khaina bagai yang chithi rika bini pore magistrate phaika executive magistrate phaika ani SDP phaika phaima pore jeng boroni presence ingo khai manai rok check khaika check khaiman bisingo aro gari bisingo total 70 packets of different size manai sing recovery khaikya surma pore abo nukjaka 37 kg mu total a gari bisingo number plate bu duita mangkha kaisa asam ni number plate tongo kaisa to Tripura number plate thapajak asam dam to busuk nai abo to dam to ngano mumle rohe ko 9 lakh 10 lakh ngano borok khorok mani subroto ni taksib jora.
An investigation is currently underway to find the second suspect and to determine the origin and destination of the narcotics. Reported by Belfang from Chini.